Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of This Corner of Galaxy. Today we have the Galaxy Buds live, and this is actually gonna be an interesting one because if you guys look at these headphones, they kind of look like jelly beans or some type of beans. That I really feel like they missed the mark on this one. They should have probably called these the Galaxy Beans. But anyway, we're gonna be doing a send off on these. These are the Galaxy Buds Plus. I love these headphones. I'm still gonna be using these headphones, but they'll be more for maybe like when I'm cutting the yard or doing activities such as that. But we'll put these off to the side. Right now, it is all about these bad boys right here. I'm actually really excited. I cannot wait to get into these. So here we have the ergonomic fit. I'm actually really waiting to test these out for my ears. I feel like my ears are shaped a little differently, so we're gonna see how that plays out. We have the 6 to 21 hours of playback time. That's 6 hours in ear, 21 more hours through charging the headphones through the wireless charging case. You've got the triple mic set up for clear call quality. This is something that I really want to test out. I've heard nothing but good things about it, so I'm pretty sure that it's going to be good. And then we also have the active noise cancellation, which I have heard some mixed reviews about. Some people are saying that it's good for like lower end sound. Some people are saying that it's not good at all. So we'll have to test that out in our review of these headphones. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. So now that we have the box open, this is the jewelry box setup that everybody is talking about. Everybody online, everybody that I have seen get these headphones have always talked about the form factor of this case. It's a beautiful case. You can see the Samsung print right up here, tuned by AKG. We're gonna open up the, oh my goodness, look at that. What a beautiful pair of wireless earbuds. Wow, guys. So we're gonna sit him right here for now. All right, so we've got some other stuff in here. Looks like charging cable. I'm pretty sure these headphones charge pretty quickly here. And then inside of that same box, so just to show you guys, there's this little flap on the left of the box, and you can see that we have these extra little ear tip things. As you guys know, these headphones do not come with regular rubberized ear tips. They come with ear wings. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So this is the left earpiece right here. And this is what I mean. So this little piece right here is the kind of like the ear wing, and this is the left ear. So I'll go ahead and put this in. So what you're supposed to do is put the headphone inside the ear and then twist upward just a little. And I'll kind of turn to the side so you guys can see that. And I'm not really sure how I feel about them yet. I feel like I'm gonna have to have them in for some time. It feels kind of weird. This is the first time I've had any headphones like this. They're definitely different from anything else out there on the market right now, guys. So I will get back to you guys within a week or so to tell you what I think, my first impressions of these headphones, the form factor. They're very comfortable. I'm having them in right now, and I don't feel like they're moving around a lot. This is actually going to be very interesting, guys. So stick with me, guys. Within the next coming weeks, we're going to talk a lot about these headphones, the good, the bad, the ugly. We're going to be comparing these to the Galaxy Buds Plus, and just kind of getting the feel of these new type of ergonomic headphones. But Other than that, guys, I will catch you guys in the next episode. This has been another episode of This Corner of Galaxy. Peace.